Hello everyone, Andy here. Welcome to another stock analysis, and this time Qualcomm. It's a solid company, guys. It basically engages in the development and commercialization of fundamental technologies for the wireless industry worldwide, and it also operates through three segments: Qualcomm CDMA Technologies, Qualcomm Technology Licensing, and Qualcomm Strategic Initiatives. And their QCT segment develops and supplies integrated circuits and system software based on 3G, 4G, 5G, and other technologies for use in wireless voice and data communications, networking, computing, multimedia, and position location products. So it's as you can see, it's a kind of a tech company in the NASDAQ. Now, let's just take a look at their chart, guys. The big chart, as you can see here, they've had a big period of consolidation, quite a value company. They've been blue chipped pretty much. They've been increasing in value, and they had the 2015-16, I mean, post crisis, let's say, they had slight decrease in value. However, they've been increasing in value dramatically. And take a look at the stock long term, guys. The stock has had a significant consolidation along the lines of $100, and they tested they didn't make it to all-time high 191. They tested the previous pivot point, which is 174, so to speak. And now the company is going through a correction. So both MACD, the Bollinger Bands, and the stochastics, almost all of them are showing a correction in the price of the company. However, in the long term, as you can see, the company is developing a trend line, and that is, guys, if you connect exactly the bottom of these low points to each other, you can see that the trend is potentially long-term bullish. So we are right now testing the 128 level. In my opinion, we're going to be testing the highest highs of exactly this area in the chart. So that would be your pivot point. And on the upside, we're going to be testing the 200 point, which is basically the previous closure here with the candlestick. And after that, we will also fight for the 226 level. So having said that, am I going to buy the company within the next 6 months? The answer is no. I'm waiting for a test of the bottom right here, the top level of the consolidation point, and which is more or less towards the area of $135 to $140. And once that is tested and rejected, I will be going in. So your first get in point should be along the lines of 130, basically 30 to 35, let's say. And long term, I want to see the company going past this 200 right here, 200 average points, $200 moving average point. Having said that, let's take a look at their fundamentals. The balance sheet has been performing really well. To be honest, I was quite surprised looking at their balance sheet. We're looking at a 21% profit margin and a relatively a good debt to equity ratio, and earnings of $7.9 billion on $36 billion worth of revenue, which is very good. And we're looking at great future growth forecast for the company. We're looking at a 10%. Well, the industry obviously is outperforming the company, which is why I told you to wait right now. Maybe it's not the best time to go in. However, 10% growth forecast for a tech company is a fair forecast. Having a look at their earning per share forecast, guys, again, as you can see right here, 2020, end of 3 and beginning of 4 was not really fruitful for the company as far as earning per share is concerned. However, the projection is quite bullish. The next element that is very important for us is the debt to equity ratio. As you can see, the company has been very, very smart in maintaining their debt level and basically increasing their value as far as equity is concerned. We want to see that trend continuing, specifically since we know that the Federal Reserve is going to at least hold the interest rates for now up until, some people say, September. Let's see what happens. But the company we're looking at is definitely solid. So having said that, my analysis of the company is for the near future, I would wait on them. I want to see this potential level tested and then go into the company riding from 130 to 35 all the way to close to 200, guys. Hope that is helpful to you, and thank you very much. Talk to you later.